Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to work with a 2 or 3 column template to build up your website at connect.dataczar.com. So we're going to go to dataczar.com, we're going to click Login. Let's get our username and our password. And that takes us to Dashboard on the main menu. We're going to get rid of that, go full screen. From Dashboard, to work with the 2 or 3 column template, you're going to go to your website button. That's the website builder. And you can use that on post and pages and post both. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new post using the 2 or 3 column templates and a new page. And it's perfect for mobile because it drops each column below one another. So if you're doing anything mobile view, you're doing columns, make sure you use the 2 or 3 column template. So let's go ahead and first start with pages. And we'll keep this moving here. And we're going to click on our home page right here. And we're going to go ahead and edit this. But real quick, let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. This is our home page currently right here. This is the website that we're working on, the one of the 2 that we use with our webinars. So let's go back to Connect. And again, we went website pages. We're editing our home page. So we're going to scroll down here. And what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and drop that column in right here underneath this picture. So we're going to do a 2 column on our home page. So we click that. It has this above line which comes in really handy because it allows you, we're going to hit delete, delete. It allows you to get the spacing just right without getting the formatting from above or below. So it keeps the formatting separate. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and back out these filler words. Back out all the way to the L. We're going to copy this, Control X. It's actually going to delete that. And we're going to go ahead and paste that in right here. Control V. So Visit Bungee America clip here. Let's go ahead and insert our picture. We already have it preloaded. So we're going to click the Insert Edit Image icon, the search folder. We're going to go to My Images. We're going to find our bungee jumping picture, which is right here. We're going to use that. Hit OK. So that fills it in. And we're going to actually stretch this out a little bit. So we'll make it about like that. So we have the Bungee America. Click here. And then on this side, we're going to insert another picture. So we're going to click on it, make it blue. Click on the Insert Edit Image icon, search folder. We're going to go to My Images. And this time, we're going to do, right here, we'll click this picture. And we'll make the bungee picture a little bit bigger. We're going to match the size on the bungee picture. And then right here, we're going to do our office. Perfect. Okay, so here this comes in. This is just to help with the formatting, and it works really good. So I'm really happy it's here. So we're going to back this up. Keeps all your formatting separate. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck on the 2 column if you didn't have that. So there we go. We added the 2 column to the home page. We're going to go ahead and click Update. And then while we're in here, let's go ahead and create the post. We're going to click on Posts right now. We're going to click Create New. We're going to go ahead and keep this moving here. So let's go ahead and get our title. Our title, I'm just going to paste it in. Our visit to Yosemite National Park. And then Yosemite National Park, California. Let's go ahead and make that, let's go 18 point, bold, italic, center. We're going to go ahead and click that, hit enter. Let's go ahead and do our 3 column template on our post. So let's go ahead and enter our 3 column template. And what we're going to do is we're going to insert 3 pictures right here. So the first one is Yosemite Valley. And the next one, I'm just going to try to keep this moving quickly. So the next one, we're going to go ahead and back up the words. And this is going to be behind the historic church. And this one here, we're going to do Nevada Falls. So let's go ahead and grab these pictures real quick. Insert edit image icon. And my images, we already preloaded all these images. So Yosemite Valley, this one right here, we're going to use. And then behind the historic church, let's grab that real quick. We're going to get the picture of the deer behind the church. Going to use that. And then Nevada Falls, insert edit image icon, search folder, my images, and there is Nevada Falls right there. Okay. So we went ahead and created this, and this is great if you're selling stuff. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. So I'm just going to hit delete, move that up. And we're going to go ahead and hit this. I'm just going to hit backspace. We want to leave a little bit of buffer here below it because you want to keep the formatting. So if you, right here we can do a new line. It's going to be regular formatting. If we back up too far, then we're going to get caught on this formatting. You're going to have to go into code to fix it. So that's the reason that we have that. But there's our post. So let's go ahead and create this post. And by the way, if you're offering products and you want to do the sell buttons down here, the images here, this works great. And again, on mobile view, it drops each one right down below another, so it works really great. So let's go ahead and create the post. And we've created the post and we updated the page. Let's go ahead and tab over to our AAA outdoor scenes. So here's our home page. We're going to do a hard reset. Control F5. And there's our 2-column that we created. There's the Bungee America. Click here, and our office. And that looks really terrific. And then we created a new post. We just put it under blog. We didn't do a separate it into one of these. So let's go ahead and go to our blog. And here it is, our visit to Yosemite National Park. We're going to go ahead and click Read More. And there's our post that we created, Yosemite Valley behind the historic church in Nevada Falls. And that also looks terrific. By the way, you can share your posts via Facebook or Twitter. There's share buttons right there. And let's go back to home. Let's go back to Connect. And we're going to go to Dashboard. And then also, we're here to help you. So if you have any questions, you need any assistance with these steps or anything, there's a support button down here at the bottom of the screen. You can always click on that support button if you need any help with anything. And that's it. That's how to work with a 2- or 3-column template with Dataczar Connect.